In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create objects in Salesforce. To start, make sure you're on the home page of Salesforce. You can access this page by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of your screen and locate the settings icon. It often looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click on it, as this will take you to the area where you can begin the setup process for creating a new object. Now, a menu will appear after you've clicked on the settings icon. On this menu, you'll see an option labeled Open Advanced Setup. Click on this to access a more detailed configuration area within Salesforce. This step is essential because it leads you to the tools you need to create and manage objects. Once you're in the Advanced Setup area, look for the Object Manager tab and click on it. In the Object Manager, you'll find all existing objects listed. What we want to do here is create a new object, so proceed to click on the Create button that you'll find on the right side of your screen. After clicking Create, a small menu will appear. Choose Custom Object from this list. By selecting Custom Object, you're indicating to Salesforce that you want to build something tailored to your unique business needs or processes. Now, it's time to enter the details for your custom object. Start by typing in a label for your object. This label is the singular term for what your object will represent, like invoice or booking. Next, fill in the plural label. This name will represent multiple instances of your object, such as invoices or bookings. Following this, you'll need to provide an object name. This often resembles your label, but follows a specific naming convention without spaces. After entering the object name, it's beneficial to add a description. The description offers extra context about the purpose of this object and how it fits into your Salesforce environment. As you move further, you'll come across the section where you define the record name label and format. The record name is crucial because it acts as the primary way to identify individual records within this object. Select a format that makes sense for your data, whether it's an auto number or a text field. Next, you have the option to enable various features for your custom object, such as enabling activities, tracking field history, or allowing reports. Depending on what functionalities are necessary, you might choose to leave some of these options unselected. You can also classify your object. Object classification helps with categorizing your data and setting permissions, which is useful for managing your CRM data and user access. Once you've set all these parameters to fit your requirements, it's time for the final step. Go ahead and click on Save. With this final action, your custom object will be created in Salesforce. And there you have it, a newly created object tailored exactly to your needs within Salesforce.